I just don't want to get messed up from this horse. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name's Molly.
My name's Brent.
We are so excited that you're here, and you're here because you want to learn or see exactly what we do to be able to live this life of traveling abundantly every single day. We are a family of 4 from Australia, exactly doing that, traveling the world. Yes, that is a horse. He just ate my jacket.
What do you mean?
He's eating the thing off my jacket. Can you get it out of his mouth?
It's gone.
Oh, he's eating
God.
it. He just ate it. Get it out, quick, get it out. Oh, got it. Now don't eat my jacket. That was naughty. Anyway, guys, if you want to see more of what we get up to in this beautiful world that we live in, make sure that you subscribe to our channel.
We're pumped for this year. We've been in the online space since February 2018. It's absolutely changed everything for us. If you've been following our journey, you would have seen us quit our jobs, jump in the caravan, do Australia for a couple of years.
If you haven't seen that as yet, go and check out our channel because we've vlogged the whole lot of our travels around Australia from our caravan.
Now we're in Hokkaido in Japan. We're here for a few weeks. We're here in Japan for the next 3 months, and then it's off to Europe. So enjoy our channel. This guy's getting a bit cheeky.
Yeah. We would really love it if you can subscribe to our channel, support us, follow our journey, hit the notification bell, see the videos that we put out, leave a comment, like, whatever you want to do. We just appreciate it. Is he biting you?
No, he's pushing me.
Okay, I'm getting out of here.
We are not just another traveling family. I really want to stress that, okay? Myself and Molly specialize in a lot of ways to build an income and to build a sustainable income online. This is how we live the way that we do. You know, we're not sponsored. That's not us. That's not who we are. So we just like showing people that there is a different way to live, and we love showing and inspiring people to make a change using the online space. No, we do not try to sell you every single day. No, we do not try to upsell or anything like that. We simply create content in the places that we go to, and we offer a solution to problems if people want to fix their problems. So guys, enjoy our channel. Once again, we would love it if you subscribed and hit that bell notification so every time we have a new episode, you can see it live.